Hi, grade 11s. If you look at the designs which we are going to encounter now, we have to go and revisit our specifications. And our specifications do indicate that the total area of the entire structure may not exceed 200 square meters. And that it must include 2 accommodation units, each containing the following. There must be sleeping facilities for 4. That means 2 rooms we are going to have to incorporate into our designs. There should be a bathroom, a small bathroom that will have a toilet, shower and hand basin. There must be a living area, built-in heating system and a stoop in front of the house. We must then include 1 kitchen which must be shared by both units, equipped with all these components that you will see here. So I want to basically give you just a line diagram of how we perhaps could put a possible design together, and to just give you an idea of how the designs will look like. So you will have an option of playing around with some of these examples which I will exhibit to you in this video, and for you to be able to complete 2 designs at the end of this particular part. So if you look at 200 square meters and you need to draw an outside wall, you're going to have a rectangular shape like this, which I'm just going to roughly draw for you, of which that side is going to be the longer side. So you will have that as 20 meters. And this side here will be 10 meters. So 10 times 20 will give you 200 square meters. Then I will have sort of this as my halfway point between my 2 units, of which I would love my kitchen to be in the center over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to perhaps have my bedrooms on this side here and this side of my house. And I'm going to divide that up into 2 bedrooms. So this is going to be 1 bedroom and another bedroom. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Then I'm going to place my kitchen section here at the back. And because my kitchen has a very large area, I can actually use this section here and that section there as my bathrooms. So this will be my bathrooms here on the side that will cater for these 2 rooms over here. And this will be the kitchen here, which will serve for both units. This will be the dividing wall. So the actual unit will be this, half of the kitchen, that there, including the 2 bedrooms for both sides. I can then add perhaps a door here and 1 door here, a door there and 1 door here, and this will be the doors which will enter into the specific bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 on both sides. Right. So this will be my entrance area. This is for the 1 unit, or you can move the doors further away from one another. This will be my living area. That is going to be bedroom 1, bedroom 2. That's going to be my bathroom. So I have accessibility to all my venues, of which this will be the shared space by both units. In this particular instance, the kitchen area is quite small, but it serves the function of serving both units. You will of course add your stoop section right here that will serve for both entrances to your units. And of course you will have your windows, which will be placed here at the back and at the front. So that's going to be a small window for your bathroom. That's going to be a big window for your kitchen area. And of course you will have a back entrance here that will lead you to the outside of the kitchen area. Then of course you will have a small window here for your bathroom, and then of course a mirror image of those windows on that side. So this could be one design. So if I must just take you through another design perhaps, these are all just line diagrams just to give you an idea of how we play around with our designs before we formally going to go into our design 1 and our design 2. So if you look at design number 2, you can start in the same way as you started with number 1. This time I'm going to have my length slightly longer, so that's going to be 22 meters here. And I'm going to go down by 9 meters this time, because 9 times 22 is going to give me 198 meters, which is basically within the 200 square meters. Then, of course, grade 11s, we are going to put our rooms at the back here. So that is going to be my half of my unit, and that's going to be the other half. I'm going to put my rooms around about here, the back, of which I'm going to have my bathroom in the center of the 2 rooms, like that there, and a bathroom in the center of the 2 rooms, like that there. So that would be bedroom 1, bathroom, bedroom 2. Bedroom 1, bathroom, bedroom 2. Then, of course, this section here, which I'm going to have right here, this is going to be my kitchen area over here, where my entrance for the kitchen will be accessed through this door from both units. You will have your bathroom door here, and you can have these doors which will lead into the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom right there. In fact, you might want to shorten this a little bit and put this door on this side and a door on this side. Same here, a door here, a door there, and a door that will give you entrance to your bathroom there. This will be your living area, and you will have your entrance perhaps here and your entrance here. You will have your windows in this back wall over here, and you will have your windows in this front wall over there. There will be no windows on the side. You have the option of putting windows on the side if you want. So if you look at design number 3 as an example, once again a line diagram, you're going to start with your rectangular shape. This time I am going to keep that distance 20 meters, and I'm going to have my 10 meters again. I am going to divide it into 2, of which this side here will be my bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, but I'm going to put my bathroom in the middle here, and the same with my bedrooms on this side here, with my bathroom in the center, like that there. And then, of course, my kitchen will be at the back here. That is going to be my kitchen area. My bathroom is going to be just that area over there and this space over here. So this is a little entrance to the room, which I'm going to have there. Entrance to the room, entrance to the bathroom. And the same here, this side, with doors that will lead into the various venues. That's going to be my kitchen. I will have my kitchen door there to access it from the different units. This is going to be the wall that divides the 2 units. That's going to be my kitchen area. Shared, these are going to be the different venues. Okay, grade 11s. I've given you 3 options now of line diagrams. What I am going to do now, very quickly, I'm going to use a scale of 1:100, and I'm going to use my grid page and as a base. So here I have my grid page, and what I will do is that I'm not going to draw on my grid page. I'm actually going to use a white page which I have in my file and put it over the grid page so that the blocks and the lines are actually shining through. Remember, learners, a scale of 1:1 means that every block is 1 meter. So if I have a length of 20 meters, I'm going to count 20 blocks. And if I have a width of 10 meters, I'm going to count down 20 blocks. So every block equals to a meter, and that is what the scale of 1:1 represents. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to place it on here, and I'm going to freehand on my lines as the guide draw my entire design, which I need as my part 2. So with my designs, I am going to include all the necessary detail, the wall thickness, the inside walls, outside wall, the doors, the windows, and all the necessary items that will be part of your first and second design. Watch carefully how I present 3 examples.